So, student, after discussion of oxidation state, now the term is chemical properties. First one, reaction of 13 group element with, I am writing after with some of the reacting species like oxygen. Student, boron, okay, exist in two form. Exist in two forms. What? Crystalline boron and amorphous boron. Amorphous boron. Okay. Only amorphous boron, okay, shows reaction with oxygen with O2 at high temperature. High temperature. Crystalline do not react, while aluminium also reacts with what? With what? O2. Like here, B plus O2, it forms B2O3, but what? At very high temperature, 700 Kelvin temperature. 2B plus 3O2 is equal to B2O3. You can write it 2 B2O3 and here balance. Similarly, aluminium can also react with oxygen and forms Al2O3. But Al2O3 forms protective layer. Thus the further reaction do not occur. That is, you can say it is passive in, it becomes what? Passive in nature. Okay. Next element like gallium, indium, thallium, they almost do not react with the oxygen in the general conditions. Okay. Number 2, reaction with water. Boron, gallium, indium and thallium, okay, do not decompose water, or they do not react with water. Decomposes water. Okay. But amalgamated aluminium, okay, that is what? If the aluminum is dissolved in amalgam, so amalgamated aluminium is able to react with water. Like Al plus H2O, it forms AlOH thrice and releases what? Hydrogen gas. But the condition is what? Amalgamated water. Okay. Number C, reaction with acids. Boron, okay, do not reacts with non-oxidizing acids. Now, non-oxidizing acids means what? This is dilute HCl or dilute what? H2SO4. They are called what? Non-oxidizing acid. But reacts with oxidizing acid. Now, what are oxidizing acid? This is what? Nitric acid, HNO3. Like boron plus HNO3 nitric acid, it forms H3BO3. Getting? This is called boric acid. Okay, plus also releases nitrogen dioxide gas. Okay, so only oxidizing acid is able to react with boron. This is due to again its what? Highly passive nature. Okay. Aluminium can react with HNO3, but immediately forms oxides protective layer. Okay. but aluminium can react with acid as well as base. Base and forms salt. Therefore, what we are saying, the aluminium is considered as amphoteric in nature. Okay, in 10th class we have studied what amphoteric in nature. So, can you write the reaction of aluminium with acid and base like HCl plus NaOH? So, you have to write the reaction. It is of 10th class portion. Okay, here it form AlCl3 and here it form sodium meta-aluminate. Okay, so you have to complete this reaction. Okay, write the name of product and write their particular name by balancing the equation. And the question will ask in the form why aluminium act as amphoteric in nature. So you have to say it can react with acid, it can also react with base to form salt and water.